fish. Yeah, nice. Yeah, this is a good fish. This thing just took drag on me. I think I'm gonna have you net them for me, if you don't mind. All right, guys. Not the first fish of the morning, but it's been a little bit too dark for camera light, so hopefully we can get this one in the net. Met up with a subscriber in the parking lot this morning, my buddy Logan.
Yes, sir.
We're getting into some this morning, so that's a nice brown. Woo, he's fighting. Boy, I guess. My third cast, my second fish. Oh, that's a beauty too. That's a nice brown right there. Holy cow. All right, we're gonna get him unhooked here and we'll give you a quick look. All right, guys. First fish on the camera anyway. This is my third cast. Look at that. Just buttery and beautiful. Nice fish. Oh, we're losing my net. Got that back. So yeah, we'll get that one back in the drink. Gorgeous browns in here this morning. Whew. All right, guys, welcome back. We're at Burt Dam this morning. It's a weekday, so light crowds, and we're just fishing some jigs and waxworms this morning, guys. Hitting brown trout, steelhead, maybe an old salmon. So remember, 10% off code Willsworld at buffalotackle.com for all your fishing gear and stuff. So we're gonna get back to the fishing. Yeah, Logan is telling me there's fish jumping everywhere, which means get back in the water. We got low light conditions, so now's the time. But that's it. That's the presentation, guys, on those jamming jigs. And you just twitch that under your float. That's good. There's one. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Holy cow. Boy, they're fighting hard. Holy smokes. Woo! Oh, yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear the drag, but it's ripping. Today's the day for bobber downs, I guess. It's gonna be easy getting them. Man. Whew. Came right to my feet. I can't believe how hard they fight. Wow. Holy cow, that is another big fish. Guys, there's some beautiful big brown trout in here. Yeah, thank you. Some beautiful big brown trout in here this morning.
That's a better one.
Holy cow. Oh no, I think it broke me.
Did it? Oh,
I think it broke me.
Yeah, it did.
Nope, just came unhooked. Unbelievable. Wow. I can't believe we lost that fish after all that. But rig back up and try again. Fish on. Boy, they're on fire this morning. On fire. The jigs are hot. Not a very big one, I don't think. Nope, just a little male. Get them good and tired and see if I can just grab them. Yeah, I might just try to grab him. He's bigger than I thought. Oh, all right. Quick release on that guy too. Holy smokes! Yeah, no, I'm screwing around with him here at the net, but that jig's doing damage. Holy smokes, you guys! Move it a little bit deeper. Push on, guys. Push on. Whew. We gotta get one to the net here. You in a spot you can give me a hand? Oh, this fish is going bonkers right here in front of us. Whew. Actually, I might be able to get him. Got him. Nice. Oh, he broke me right in his mouth. He's got my jig in his mouth.
Really?
Yeah. We got the jig back. Oh, big hen. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous hen. She's spitting eggs all over, so we're gonna get her back real quick here. Whew. Thanks, Logan. Appreciate it, bud. I don't know what. I mean, that's like 4 or 5 on the morning. We lost a couple. So as it gets lighter here, it's going to get a little bit more challenging. We might have to downsize, but we'll take it as it comes. All right. I'll tell you what, guys. Wax worms are the ticket this morning. Holy smoke. Almost lost that guy. They are the ticket. They're delicate to use. I guess you could also use maggots, probably, or something like that. That's it. All right, guys, it's gotten a little bit lighter out, and my bite died, so time to lighten up. 6-pound fluoro. So when Will and I were here a couple weeks ago, that's what it took to get bit, was 6 pound. There's not a lot of guys around, so we should be all right making that happen. But I'm just going to tie like a 3-foot section onto this micro swivel right here, and that should do it. Maybe a few less split shot. Also, I lost my jig on a snag, so in my head I was fishing until I broke off, and then I was going to come in and switch to 6 pound. I also have some other real small baits today. We'll try this with the jigs, and if they do that, then cool. But if not, we got some other tricks up our sleeve. So and I'm trying to go with dark colors, because these fish they're definitely pressured. I mean, that water got, I don't know, 3 feet of visibility. So they're definitely, you know, they're definitely shy. You're seeing me try to get that through the hook, through the eye. There we go. Don't get old. Don't get old. My low light fishing is non-existent. Make sure that guy's gonna stay on. My buddy Logan is not faring too well. He got into some pretty early and couldn't convert, but he's a nice kid. He'll get into some. He's trying hard. Now I'm just gonna put a couple of split shot on there, and that'll be it. My least favorite part of this. Although the water's so clear, you can see every rock on the bottom, which helps. See him out here with Logan and another guy. Fish. Nice fish, guys. Finally. Oh man. That's on that 6-pound leader, so I'm probably gonna have to take it a little easy. That looked like a good fish right there, though. Oh man. My float was barely moving coming down through there. It slowed way down. So, yeah. Thanks, bud. Appreciate it. Logan's gonna net him for me so we can get him over here. Oh man. I mean, I got my drag pretty light, but that's a big fish. Man, stay buttoned up. Stay buttoned up, buddy. Woo. Oh man. He's screaming drag on me. Holy smokes. What do you think, Logan? You got him there? Get him, buddy. Yeah. Nice job. That's a tank. That's a tank of a brown. Guys, it took a little doing here. I think it might have broken me. Nope, he's still on. Wow. Nice fish. Swallowed that jig. Absolutely swallowed it. Sitting in some really slack water as well.
Those are the ones we gotta find, the hungry ones.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see that sticking right out of us. I don't know if I can get it or not. Ah, shoot. It's a tough thing about fishing this spot. You're literally holding everything. You know? Let's see what I can do here. Oh, come on. There we go. That's the jig right there. Hopefully you can see that. Tipped with wax worms. And this is what comes out the other end. Look at this. What a honey. I mean, that's just, guys. That's why you come to Burt Dam and get this girl back. She's full of eggs. She's loaded. Woo! Love it. I don't know if we're going to stick with the jig or not. We might go and try some other baits, but it seems like we're going to have to change it up throughout the day here to keep getting bit. So, Logan, appreciate the net shot, bud.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Bye. Alright guys, I'm gonna head back and tie on something different. Got that last fish on the jig again, but it's definitely slowed way down. So we're down to 6-pound fluoro, and we're gonna get an even smaller bait. Alright guys, this is kind of a last ditch effort for me, but a tiny little nymph. Hopefully you can see that. It's got bead chain eyes on it, little wing case. Just a little wet fly. I can remember when I was much younger fishing here, and it was always a high pressure spot, and they'd stop biting, you know, whatever we were throwing at the time we were fly fishing them. And we'd tie on a little brown nymph and bang them up. So that's even a little bit big. They used to be like size 16s or 18s, I think. 18s. So, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Wouldn't it be something if that worked? Let's get back out there and give it a try. Holy cow. One of the other guys fishing out here hooked up. Oh, that's a tank of a fish. Oh, nice job, bud.
Oh, yeah.
Holy cow. Look at that.
Holy.
Jeez, you want me to help you out here? I can hold that net for you while you unhook them if you want. Flip, whoop. There, I'll hold your net for you. Hooked up there. There you go. Figure it out. Hold them up if you want.
Yeah,
Get a good look at them. Wow.
Yeah.
What a gorgeous fish. Holy cow, buddy. Way to go. Right on.
You can get a picture with me with it real
Yeah,
fast?
absolutely. Let me shut this camera off. They're in here, guys. Yeah, see that? Fish surfacing everywhere out there. Yeah, they're right. I mean, they're. Yeah. No. It worked. Got one on the nymph. You gotta be kidding me. My float didn't even go under. Just started swimming up the creek. I don't know if you guys can hear the drag taking out. That's a nice ground. Caught him on that little tiny nymph. I'm still twitching it a little bit, just like a jig as it comes down, but not as hard. Trying to make it look like it's swimming a little bit. Holy cow. Nice. Whew. That fish is big. See what we can do here. Holy cow. Oh yeah. You can see him out there. Oh yeah, come on now. Everybody's starting to tie up different things, try some stuff out. Thanks, bud. Oh yeah, thank you very much. You're not gonna believe what I caught that guy on. Just that tiny little brown nymph in the corner of his mouth. Unbelievable. We got the fly out. And show you the fish here for a second. Get a nice release on them. Those rubber nets are nice.
I don't like them. I already ripped on the salmon.
No, oh yeah. Thank you,
I
sir.
gotta go to something like you guys, no problem.
There we go. Beauty. Beauty. That guy's been hooked multiple times, I would say.
That's what I said. A lot of these Trout I'm bringing
Man.
up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, thank you for the net job. All right, guys. Whew. That felt good. You can see this guy right here. I just broke off one of the bead shade eyes. He's a little worse for wear. But I mean, and that fish just sucked it up like it was nothing. Didn't even take the float under. So just a little trick. When the fishing gets tough, like it always does this time of year, downsize, you know, go to light leaders and show them something they haven't seen. I guarantee you, not too many guys are throwing nymphs. I got a tangle of what you're seeing here at my rod tip, but yeah, I guess that fly will still work. It's only got one eye, but hopefully they won't care. Know if you need a hand with the net job. Oh yeah, hooking up. Oh man, that's bigger than the last one.
Oh yeah,
that's an absolute monster fish right there, bud.
Oh, wrapped up like a
holy cow, that's got to be a 10-pounder. Oh yeah, he totally wrapped your line bad. Yeah. Holy cow. Woo. Let me know if I can help you out in any way. I don't know. Holy smokes.
I'm gonna hook them out here.
Yeah, wow, nice job, bud.
Thank you.
Good work. Holy cow, guys. He put on a bead, and that's his second steelhead of the morning. Pretty good stuff. Makes you want to put a bead on, because that was a tank of a steelhead. Holy cow. Just a great big fish. Man. Wow. Oh yeah. Just a gorgeous fish.
Come on, Mark. Come on.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take some time with him probably. All right. Man, they're in here, guys. These great big browns and rainbows. Just giant fish. Giant fish. We gotta get our buddy Logan into one here, hopefully. That was so cool. No, oh
Yeah.
man, look at that thing jump. Another steelhead. Wow. Wow, he got onto a pod of them there. Fishing beads all of a sudden. Oh man. That thing is going wild. Jeez, another beautiful fish. Wow, guys. Holy smokes. Jeez, another beauty. You're having quite a birthday.
That I am.
Holy smokes. Woo. Wow. Wow. Nice fish. Let me know if you want to try to grab a pic of that guy too.
Oh yeah, definitely. This is making my day.
I guess all of them came right out of that same run, huh?
Yeah.
So there's obviously a batch of them laying in there. I wasn't even thinking steelhead today, to be honest with you. I wasn't even thinking about it. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice. You get a good shot of them in the camera. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. There you go.
Thank you.
All right, we'll get them back.
Come on, buddy.
Oh yeah. God, 3 in a row.
It's a good day.
There you go, my
Thanks.
friend. You're welcome. You're welcome. Holy cow, guys. That is impressive. 3 straight on just big steelhead too. They're not small fish. He's putting in some work over there. All right guys, that's it for me. It was great meeting both of you guys.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, bud.
Thank you.
All right. Well guys, that's going to do it for this morning. I just wanted to give it 2.5, 3 hours. I met some nice people today. Met the one guy in the parking lot this morning, and we decided, you know, we'd fish together right out of the gate. And then we met another guy down here, the gentleman that caught the 3 steelhead. It's his birthday. So, you know, it's Thanksgiving week. Just, you know, trying to be thankful for just a great day on the water with some nice people. So we'll leave the spot to them. The fishing really slowed down. That water here is crystal clear. I went down to 6 pound. You saw I finally caught one on that nymph, which is something I wanted to do. So not about numbers today, more just about making some good friends, trying to catch fish in pretty tough conditions. And I feel like we did that. So hey, get your tackle at buffalotackle.com. If you use code Willsworld, you get 10% off. So again, buffalotackle.com. Check those guys out. It's going to be a busy week. Hopefully fishing a lot, making a lot of videos for you guys. And we'll catch up with you next time.